Nice and shiny now. So as you saw in the last video, to knock out the Mercedes w126 lower ball joint, you just hammer the crap out of it. You need a sturdy vise and a good hammer, and hold your punch or drift with a pair of vice grips. And then after messing around and trying to make a removal tool that looked like one I saw online that wasn't available, I thought outside the box, pulled the boot off. So this end of this ball joint press fits perfectly around this. And there's clearance in here, so you don't have to do any modifying of your tools or anything. And then you just take a collar and a piece of pipe and ratchet it in, and it's done. It took me about 5 minutes, but very simple. You don't really need any special tools after doing a whole bunch of research online and looking at different videos and people struggling. This is what I came up with. Very simple. This is an old OTC ball joint tool I borrowed from my neighbor. But yeah, this turned a potentially frustrating job into a fairly simple, easy job. So hopefully this helps you guys out. I know it's not a Land Cruiser video, but there may be some of you out there with some older Mercedes. If you found this helpful, please like the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And we will catch you, hopefully, in the next video.